In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy crypto instantly on Coinbase. First, log into your Coinbase account and make sure your identity is fully verified. This step is essential because verification unlocks higher purchase limits and enables instant buying. If you see any prompts to upload an ID or confirm personal details, complete those right away. It's a one-time setup, and it helps keep your account secure while meeting local regulations. Once you're in, head to the Buy screen. On the website, click the Buy and Sell button in the top right corner. In the mobile app, tap Buy on the home screen. If you need the app or prefer to use the website, I've placed the official download links for iOS and Android, and the Coinbase website link right at the top of the description for easy access. Now choose the asset you want to purchase, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Select it from the list, then enter the amount you'd like to buy in your local currency. You don't need to type the exact crypto amount, just enter the cash amount you're comfortable with. Keep in mind that crypto prices move quickly, so the exact quantity you receive can shift slightly as the market updates. Next, pick your payment method. For instant access, a debit card is usually the fastest. Apple Pay or Google Pay, where available, can also provide same-day access to your crypto. If you already have a fiat balance on Coinbase, that's typically instant as well. Linked bank accounts can work too, but depending on your region and bank, they may not deliver immediate spending power for new deposits. Before you commit, click Preview Buy. Take a moment to review the purchase. Check the fees, the exchange rate, the total you're paying, and the estimated amount of crypto you'll receive. Coinbase processes these purchases as market orders, which means your order is executed instantly at the best available price. If everything looks good, click Buy Now to finalize. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Use a debit card or mobile wallet for the fastest settlement, and complete identity verification to increase your instant purchase limits. Always double check the summary on the preview screen so you understand the fee and the rate you're getting before you confirm. And that's it. You've made an instant crypto purchase on Coinbase. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to replay any section as needed. And remember that the official app downloads and website link are at the top of the description. Thanks for watching.